Hi, I'm Denise Couling of Banfield Couling Law and Mediation in Brighton, Michigan. And this brief video is to address a question I get all the time, and I think most family law attorneys receive the same question. The question is, what is a quitclaim deed? And in the context of a divorce, the function of a quitclaim deed is for one party to give up any interest they have in property being awarded to another party. So in a typical divorce situation, imagine Ann and Bill own a property together. They're on the deed. They're also on the mortgage. Say that their divorce judgment calls for Ann to receive the property, and Ann has to give Bill $20,000. She's going to refinance the property, and when she does, Bill will get $20,000. His name will come off the mortgage, but his name is still on the deed. So the quitclaim deed is where Bill takes his name off the deed to Ann's property. So afterwards, she owns her property in her name, and the mortgage is only in her name. Now, quitclaim deeds sound simple enough, but they can be tricky. It's possible to complete them in a way where the tax consequences, the property tax consequences, are not what you think. It's also very possible that the property is not what you think. So this is intended to give you an overview of the function of a quitclaim deed, but always seek legal advice and make sure you know the property interest you're receiving a quitclaim deed to. I can give you one quick example. Imagine someone offers you $10,000 if you could purchase the Grand Hotel in Mackinac Island, Michigan for $10,000. They'll quitclaim it to you. That's a real deal if they own the Grand Hotel. However, if they're just giving up their interest in something they don't own, they're getting $10,000 for nothing. So quitclaim deeds are still important legal instruments. It is still important to know the value of what the other party is giving up, and they need to be completed properly. We can at another point in time talk a little bit more about warranty deeds, but warranty deeds in a nutshell are when the individual or individuals or entities selling the property give everything they have to the other side, to the buyer, and they're also saying, and I have all the rights to this property. So when you buy a house, and if you pay $100,000 for it, you're expecting to really own that house, not paying $100,000 to someone who doesn't own it, just to have them quitclaim whatever they do have. I don't know if that made it more confusing. I'm hoping it didn't, but the bottom line is a quitclaim deed is where one party gives up whatever interest they have in a property to the other. It is a typical instrument in divorce cases. It's not typical in buying and selling houses and real property when you're buying it from a new seller. There again are complications, that are always possible in law and in real estate. There can be many, many variations. Please have your particular transaction reviewed by a knowledgeable local attorney. But if you want to know the function basically of a quitclaim deed in most divorce cases, this brief video will have given you a little bit more insight into what to expect. Thank you very much. We appreciate your attention to our video series. If you would like information about our law firm or the streamlined divorce process, the two links are provided below. Thank you very much, and we appreciate your attention to our videos. Thank you.